What's good, Auto Gang? Out here on a mobile service, replacing 2 tires on the passenger side. And get them right. This is tire 1, so this should be fun to take off, which is, hopefully I don't have no trouble with it. If I have no trouble with it, I'm good. Some nice trees out here, so I ain't in the sun working, giving me shade. Tire 1 done. The worst one, so the worst one wasn't that bad, so I know we good. Alright, to jack it up from the back to raise up the front. If it worked, it worked. We're gonna put the jack stand in the right place. Go ahead and get that tire off and we'll be good to go. And just like that, they're all done. If there was a catch a flat, they had 2 blowouts, so they could have put the spare on but still need to get towed. So you have to pay that tow price to the shop and still pay to get the tires put on. So let me make it easier for you. Easy Auto out.